cannot bring a kid into the world right now. I don't let everybody in my space, for one.
Yours is looking kind of clean, though.
Oh, my cousins are fussing, and we're kind of lost. But this is it.
Guys, I'm trying to do content.
I'm slowly falling apart while building myself back up. Hi guys, your girl is back. I don't know where I am in this series right now. Y'all have seen my apartment tours. I think I've posted that by now. Y'all, I'm just recording all over the place, so don't mind me. But if you are new here, thank you guys for landing and welcome aboard. If you already been here, you already got status. Now, to my people who I didn't tell that I was leaving, I'm sorry. But I felt like this. I felt like the people that talk to me or want to actually see me or kick it with me, they're the ones who were meant to see me because they make time to see me. And I've been here for years, and I feel like nobody really just comes up here to like visit me like that. I can count on my hand pretty much the people that try to come visit me at my space. You know what I mean? And another thing is, I don't let everybody in my space, for one. You don't let everybody in your happy place. That's just me. It is time to go run errands with me. I look a mess right now. I need to reclip my hair. Luckily, I stay 6 minutes down the road from where I get my wax, because your girl needs to go. Normally, I wax myself, but, well, I mix it up a little bit. I'll wax myself, and then I'll get them to wax me. And if I feel there's some places that I can't reach, normally I shave, and that's not proper, so, you know. So, yeah, I don't know. But that's neither here nor there. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I just finished getting my Brazilian, and my favorite was there, Angela got me right, y'all. So I went ahead and got my legs did too, and let me tell you, if y'all definitely need a wax, you gotta come here. I hate to try to put y'all on to my favorite places, but I won't be here long, so I got to. I'm going to try to go to my depot appointment at least early. It's 11:30. My appointment's at 2. So if I can get it to go a little earlier, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna see, can they get me in a little quicker? I've officially made it to get my shot. I personally go to Planned Parenthood. They're a lot cheaper than going to the OBGYN and having to pay that office fee and so, excuse me guys, so forth. Honestly, I think this is my last time getting depot or just going birth control, period. Because I've been on birth control, transparent moment. I've been on birth control since I was 16. It was just an agreement that me and my mom made, whether I was having sex or not. It was the agreement to get on birth control. Sometimes it scares me because, you know, I want kids, I do. But I'm like, I know your body has to regulate out once you get off of it. And sometimes it can take a year, sometimes it can take a few months, and for your body to be back to normal. And like I said, I want kids by like 32, 33-ish. So I really want this to be my last time like getting it. And once I leave and go to Texas, and once I get to Texas, I don't know if I have a Planned Parenthood out there that I go to, or what do I want to do. I have a prescription already here, and it has like 5 in the prescription, so I think I'm on like 3 left. Whatever. You know, I might as well just get off of it and just freeball it. But then again, the way the world is set up right now, I cannot bring a kid into the world right now. It would be a disservice to me and my kid and the man that I'm with to bring a kid into the world at this time. And plus, I want to be married. Plus, I don't want to be a baby mama. I want to have the whole 9 yards. I didn't go this long and beat teen pregnancy out to just, yeah. The shelves are now empty. It is starting to sound empty inside the bathroom, which is crazy. I've taken down so much stuff. I threw away a lot of things. I don't know. It's coming along. It's like I get to cleaning up, then I get lazy, then I get sleepy, and then I want to scroll on my phone. Procrastination at its finest. Like, I don't know. Still getting rid of stuff. Gonna give the rest of it to Goodwill. Trying to see if I want to still keep this picture or not. We'll figure that out soon. But yeah, y'all, it's coming along. Like I said, the house looks a mess, but as you can see, I've packed some more things up, put my pots and pans up this time. Tried to push everything to this corner. My cabinets are empty. It's crazy. Like, I'm trying to just keep out enough that I need to function for the next couple of weeks, 6 weeks, maybe 5 weeks now. But I'm about to take my butt to bed. I have to be up for work. And it's like 1 in the morning. And I need to get up at like 4 or something to be there at 6:25 report. So, gonna take it to bed and resume with you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so currently I am at work. I made it in. The video's looking really cute, right? Got my duck in so I can film today. Players. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna get ready to board, go to Miami, then Miami to Atlanta, go to Savannah. My friend has to work, so I'm gonna only see him for a little bit, but at least I get to see him before I leave Georgia completely. And then go from there. He just sent me a package of some trash bags because I really needed them for my new apartment, so that's a plus. And my purple dress got fixed, so I'm back in my purple, back in my element. I put on my heels today. But tune with you guys soon. Let me get my life together. Okay, y'all, my face is oily. I have officially made it to the hotel. It is 4:44. Y'all know that 444 is my number. So yeah, my wig is going everywhere. But about to go get me some food. My homeboy about to show up. I'm gonna go see him, but before that, I'm gonna go, like I said, get my food. Maybe across the street. Probably go get me a public sub. Never had one. I know, crazy, right? Never had one. But yeah, and I met Young Nudie on the flight today. If y'all know I love Slime, BEA, love him down. Best person ever. He was so cool, so chill. Got pictures, did a video. Like, he is dope. If you seeing this, you my dog. Okay, y'all, so I got the pub sub and I went to McAllister's. I'm about to go to the room and cry. I just had the best little mini layover. It hasn't even finished yet. Oh, I love you. Oh my God, look at me. Okay, y'all, I am back from getting my food run. So, me and my coworker just had a time. I got to see my homeboy before he went to work. And, y'all, my spud is buzzing. But the pub sub from Publix, I will be back. This lady in line, she was like, it's one that they used to have on the menu, but they took it off. Called a roast something. Pickup is at 5:40 something in the morning. Super duper early. I was up at 4:30, 4:40 this morning, so have not been asleep. I am going to rest, okay? Okay, y'all, so your girl is back at it with this work thing. We're officially like 30 something days away from moving to Texas. Like I said, I've been working. Right now I'm on call. They did give me a lean over, so this is day 1 out of 3. Hopefully I get another lean over so I can stay off on the 3rd day. But it's been in shambles, honey. The operation's been in shambles. AT, I don't know if it want to be hot or cold, per usual. So it was hot yesterday. Well, no, it was hot the day before yesterday. And then yesterday it started sleeting. And it was a hailstorm and all the other mess. So yeah, I'm like, what's going on? So let's go ahead and take this trip. I gotta do a lean over to Vermont. Once again, if you don't know what a lean over is, and don't mind that music. But again, let me turn this music off because they ain't coming on right now. I'm going to Vermont. Lean over is the last flight out of the night, first one out in the morning. I need to charge my camera, and I also need to look more into some U-Haul stuff. One of my flight attendant friends used to work for U-Haul, so they're helping me like figure this stuff out because the price went up. And I forgot, when people are moving more over the summer, the price be going up like that. So yeah, it went up a couple hundred. So like I said, I saved some money to the side, but it's gonna be a band and some change for that U-Haul and that little trailer on the back. Got to let y'all know, went to the dealership about my light issue. Tell me why they had to keep my car. And I sucked it up and I was like, I'm just gonna let them keep it. Then I had to end up paying for Uber. Luckily, they ended up fixing the issue, had to Uber back. Yes, they didn't give me a loaner. And it went that way. But anyway, y'all, let me get my life together and I'll tune in with y'all after that. Okay, y'all, I've made it to the layover. I am tired. And normally I'm not tired on leans. Normally I'll stay up and get like a few minutes on my lean, but I'm tired. They haven't given me anything yet. So hopefully they give me another lean, like I said, but people got RP wise, so the board's kind of like all over the place. It's like overtime when we're in ops or like to help operation. But anyway, y'all, it is 1:30. Pickup is at 4:25 a.m. I ain't got but a few hours, if that. So on lean overs, I do sleep in my clothes. Y'all can call it what you want. I'm sleeping in my clothes. Okay, I came to the lounge to relax and come to the backside in the hiding corner. And it's some people that look by. And normally it's not like this. But I have 2 more legs for the rest of the day. The other one's canceled because it's weather in Atlanta. It's so gloomy. So once that's done, I'm gonna release and then I'm going to go home, rub my feet together, and relax. See. Hello guys, I'm back. Currently looking a mess because I've been looking a mess on these series, But I am slowly but surely packing more stuff up. 36 more days, and we are officially in Texas. But I do have to go to the rodeo soon. That's gonna be in Houston. But right now, I'm just gonna clean up the rest of the house. It is a Sunday. Y'all, my friends have been inviting me out all weekend. I have been working and getting off, working again. So today is going to be strictly dedicated to packing. I am stuffy still from flying up and down, as you can hear. I need to go to the doctor. I don't know, y'all. I'm slowly falling apart while building myself back up. So, hey. But let's go ahead and knock some of this stuff out with me, and I'll resume in a few. Okay guys, I know my videos all over the place, but I'm officially headed to the airport so I can go to Houston. I skipped the day, but last night I ended up turning up with my girls. We have what we call 12 plates, where we all just fellowship and come together and talk about life. And this is how it went. Aesthetically welcome to the Houston Diaries. There go twin. Currently, my cousins are fussing. And we're kind of lost. Once we get to where we going, we're gonna let y'all know and tune in from there. We've officially made it inside. We didn't stumble, we didn't fall. We just here. I'm not gonna do this from the other door. I'm gonna motorcycle this time. You saw my twin turned that light on, by the way, and this was very, very demure.
Don't make me mad with that shit. I'm pissed. Anything with 3 digits, I'm gonna be mad.
I'm gonna go to the mall, and then everybody should be arriving. So the rich aunties have had a shot and a half or more. You know what?
This is maybe my phone.
Wait, man, I ain't got no money for that. Okay guys, so we're about to get ready to go eat. I know, 10 is late as hell. It's so late to be eating dinner. But my curls are popping a little bit, you know. I love to see it. Come on, quality. Oh. But anyway, So we're going to go do that, then see where the festivities take us, and then rodeo in the morning. And pray for my liver. We're getting ready for the festivities of this here rodeo. But before that, this is what I have right now. Oh, the camera thing is not capturing it like I want it to capture it. But this is it. So, we're gonna get lights together and figure some things out. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. By 20 minutes house, he faded. White boy based table. He don't wanna be kept, don't keep. He don't want the paper, then bitch don't keep. I don't get left real hot, girl. I'm trying to catch the lighting so y'all can see me better. But obviously, it's not working that way. The lighting is better that way. Corey do got, you see it, y'all see it? Ew.
See that twist?
I see that little tree. Okay, I erased my other one on accident, but it's a bit chaotic. But maybe later on it'll calm down. Not hurt. But that's it, just gonna get a little drink and some food and her name.
Someone here is trying to be like me. Oh, she's doing the usual.
There it is.
She's doing the portrait. Oh.
I was like, wait.
What happened?
You saving our life on the line. Oh my God, we have the saxophones are playing.
I'm trying to do content. This is looking kind of clean though.
Oh.
Come on, man. This is
So
actually
welcome
really
back
good.
to our
So, yeah, as I was saying,
rodeo.
rodeo was really good. I cannot lie. It was really good. Yes, we are going to Nigerian spot straight after. So make sure you look tap in. You know, my name is Steven, aka Steven. Thank you for watching the video. Ciao.